Tidings and salutations, friends. Nuzz here, coming at you with 100% Snuzz. I got all the Snuzz. Every last bit of it. That's my Snuzz. And, we also got something else today. It's this. This is a box from, my brother Forrest. That's right, ForrestSLR. This box comes from him. We're going to open it with this keen little Kiradashi that Aiden sharpened. Where's the camera? There's the camera. This keen little Kiradashi right here that Aiden sharpened. It's got a very, very, very nice edge. So, it's going to be delicate. We're going to be careful. We're not going to hurt anything on the inside of this. Yeah, so everything's upside down because open the box from the bottom. I tend to do that. Hides the addresses and all that whatnot in business. But let's have a look at these, because these would have been on Tippity Top. What? Very cool. Oh, hell yes. Oh, hell yes. Look at this, huh? Look at the character here. Yeah, this makes me happy. Forrest is a very thoughtful guy. I love this. Good stuff. Why don't you two sit up right up here? So, there is some yums included. Ooh, look at that, huh? I love these when I'm hiking. They really come in handy. These are delicious. And, thank you very much. I got me a bag of nuts here. Thank you very much, Forrest. Come in handy. I put in some hours. That'll come in handy on a break when I get them. Put this over here. Now, we have this. I love these bags. Oh. That bag is a nice size. You guys are wondering. It's quite the bag. I'll put this right here. We're going to be looking at this for the rest of the video because that's cool. That is cool. And here we have some incredible Hanks by ForrestSLR. I love this. I love this. Look at that. Hey folks, look at that. So, for those of you that don't know, I never have any idea what Hanks will be showing up from ForrestSLR. I have a sort of a blind subscription, as I trust my brother Forrest to, I just trust him. Come on, it's Forrest. If any of you guys know Forrest, you know Forrest. And I'm never disappointed. Look at this. Look at these koi. That is fantastic. Get the stitches. There's a micro suede. Yes. And here you go. Forrest's tags. Forrest tanks crafted in Michigan. And they're fantastic. And so there's the first one. And here is the second one. Yeah. That, oh yeah. You'll dig the little sparkles too. I don't know if it's showing up or not, but these little yellow clovers, they have some sparkles in them. Look at that. Thread work here is great. Look at that. Love it. Love it. So interestingly enough, Forrest does not know this about me, but when you go on long hikes, long backpacking trips, often you send resupply boxes to yourself in the U.S. Postal Service. I use stickers that have clovers on them. So this is pretty damn cool. Not only is it, you know, a great hank for the upcoming holiday, St. Patrick's Day, but also because, yeah, I will probably take this with me on a hike. A long hike. That's the only kind of hiking that I do. And, oh yes. Oh yes. Look at that. Look at that. I do dig me some earth tones. And this, wow, I like this. This is great. It's that micro suede with that really cool thread work there. Yes, very, very cool. Let's put these here. So, these are just tremendous. I'm very, very happy about this. We'll put them so you can see them. There we go. So I've got something curious here. I've got a bag, a little bag here, and there's something in the little bag, which I'm very, very curious at seeing. I've also got a this and a that, which, yeah, I have no idea what this and that are, nor what's in here. Stooge, where you at? Stooge! There you are. Hey, Stooge, how you doing? All right. Okay, good, Stooge. So we all know that you're a little trickster. Do you want to hop in that bag and push out whatever's in there? Yeah, I can do that. All right, good. In you go. Push it out, Stooge. Come on, give it the old heave-ho. We gotta know what it is. Push it out, Stooge. The old heave-ho. You got this. You got this, buddy. Ooh, very cool. Very cool indeed. It's an ounce of copper. With a buffalo on it. Very cool. Thank you, Forrest. That's badass. And the back is different, so it'll work for, you know, I've never really done any basic coin manipulation with a rectangle. I'm going to try that. I am definitely going to try that. Very cool. Thank you. Stooge, you going to hang out in there? Yeah, leave me alone. All right, fine. You can just hang out inside that little pouch there, Stooge. Very cool. Okay, we gotta check this out. What is this? What is this? Forrest, thank you. Thank you, Forrest. Forrest knows that I carry dice with me every day. He gave me some dice. How cool is that? Black and red. If you don't know, it's the subtle things that Brother Forrest catches. Catches. He pays attention to these things. See the watch, black and red? Yeah. Very thoughtful guy. Very thoughtful guy. This is cool. Very cool. Very, very cool. Thank you, Forrest. Those are very, very cool. I dig that. I do dig that. My other black dice are, they've got like a little, I don't even know, like tan, I guess, in there, or something like that. I think the camera might be picking that up and throwing the colors off. Like a tan. These are cooler. Yeah, they're cooler. Red and black is cooler. I hope that fixed some of the color. Come here, quill. No. We want a marlin spike. I need a worry stick. I'm getting this with a worry stick. Fantastic. Fantastic. Tragic royalty. Very cool. Very cool, Forrest. Thank you very much. Very, very cool. I'm blown away, man. I'm blown away. Absolutely, I'm blown away. I am absolutely blown away. So cool. Absolutely cool. Let's get some of those out there. A little bit of chaos looking. Yes. I'm blown away. I was blown away with the hanks. I'm blown away with the gifts. Thank you very much. I do appreciate it. You even got stuff to munch on. Stuff to munch on. Yeah. I think it goes without being said that ForrestSLR is he's a tremendous person. He absolutely is amazing. And I only carry hanks by Forrest. I'm sorry to the rest of you out there who make hanks. I'm sure you make tremendous, amazing, and fantastic products. So, yeah, there's no need to ever think of courting me for hanks, because I'm not interested. No offense intended to anybody. You know, you guys can enjoy whatever hanks you like. I'm a Forrest Hanks kind of guy. Like I said, I love the guy. Thank you so very, very much. This is cool. What are you still doing in there, Stooge? Okay, fine. I'm gonna leave you there, Stooge. You do your thing. You do you. So cool. Thank you once again. Yeah, I will leave there's a link to ForrestSLR's Instagram where you can pick some of these hanks up, and I hope you do, because they're great. They are really, really great. Much love.